All right, the plan is to drop the fuel tank today so I can get to the suspension bolts, paint the frame, and change the fuel pump. So to make it easier, I'm going to try to siphon some fuel out of it. So we'll see how that goes. I think I'm going to try to siphon through the fill tube hole. So I'm going to take the fill tube off and then see if I can get my hose in there. I don't know. Abby, can you go somewhere else? You're being so loud. Oh, why is this such a chore? Well, I got about 6 gallons out of the tank. I don't know how much is in there. I don't know, we're just gonna roll with that. Some weight out. Oh, damn it. Oopsie. damn it. Oh, fart. Okay. Again. Come on, Cleo. Oh, okay. All right, let's maybe try not to get completely crushed. Oh, that was a lot of oil. I got some wires holding it on. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, crushed by a transfer case. Damn. Come on, don't spill all the fluid. Oh. 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 Damn. Oh, gross. Got on my forehead. So I got the pan off to drain the oil out. I don't know why they don't put a drain plug in these things, but now I'm going to put the pan back on so it quits dripping all over me. There's a pretty good bit of clutch material on the magnet down there, so we're going to send it to the shop just to have them check it out. Let's get this starter off of here. Starter. I think we're loose. I guess I'll put the jack under it. I think we're good to go. Gotta get all this crap out of the way. Oh, I got some cooler lines I gotta take off. Oh, damn it. The dipstick tube. Got it. Oh, it's falling. Oh, I just caught. Let's see if I can go down with it. It's out and about. All right, I think we can come on down. Try not to smash any fingers. Whew. Oh. Oopsie. Nice. All right, we pretty much got everything out from under the car. We got the rear end out, we got transfer case, transmission, front end, everything out. Get it all cleaned up. I'm gonna get the transmission rebuilt, rebuild the transfer case, clean, paint everything, see if we can't get the front end put back together, rear end put back together, and then work on getting that engine out of there for when my new engine comes in. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.